children, today again I have come with some new sound. What is this? This is P. He says pa, pa, pa. Pet. My pet is a white dog. Pie. I like to eat apple pie. Pa, pa, panda. Pa, pa, piano. Next is Q. Q says quack, 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 quack. Ducks quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, queue. Children are standing in a queue. Quack, quack, quail. Quail is a small bird. What is this? This is S. S says skateboard. The boy performed tricks on a skateboard. Seal. Seal is a marine mammal. Sleep. Sack. The sack is full of potatoes. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.